Did Santa come?
Oh, Santa ate all his turkeys.
Veda, look at the tree.
Oh, wow. Let's go those presents. Oh, that's a guitar with a guitar.
Look at this one. Now hold on. We'll start with our stocking, okay? Come on. Look at that car. That's for you. Hold on. What, you want us to help you? Veda, I think you get in there.
I'll take vegetables. I said about to be. Bye-bye. See you soon. Santa just presents. Santa say that just presents.
He brought us presents, huh?
To my sleeping. Look at that one.
What is it?
Look at that present. Santa ate all his turkeys.
He ate all your cookies. And he drank your milk. And oh, Vay, he wrote you a note. He says, it says.
You said about to be. What's that?
What's this?
I don't know, Mama.
Oh.
I'm going back to work.
You going to work?
I'm going back.
Oh, you're going to see the Christmas lights in your car?
Yeah. Bye-bye, Ruth. See you soon. See you soon, Mama.
Love you, baby. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas all. Oh, no. It's not flowing.
Mommy has to put the battery in. I didn't put the battery in yet.
And the body's in here.
The battery is still plugged in. We'll put it in the car and you can drive around. Do you want to open some presents first?
Yes.
All right, come over here and sit on the couch and I'll get your stocking.
No, I didn't.
All right, well, your stocking's hanging up over there. I think I see Jingle hanging out of it. Do you see? Here. Come sit with me and we'll go through your stocking.
Oh, there's stuff coming out of it.
Looks like yummies.
Moose droppings.